Team Fullest. This is your girl Amy. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to Cake of my canal. So today I'm going to do another Zalando unboxing. Actually, I didn't want to miss out on this particular item, and so I order it in bigger sizes, and then I send an email to Zalando like, when you guys have the medium, can I please get an email? And so that was what happened. So I first bought it's a three-piece. It's a blazer, it's a long blazer, a top with a choke neck and a skirt. I first got the blazer in large because medium was sold out, and I got the skirts in large, and I got the top in medium. So the top was the only size I got correctly, but the blazer and the skirt was sold out in medium. But then I sent an email to Zalando like, when you guys get this in medium, can I please get a notification? And so that was what happened. And then later on, after a couple of days, I got an email like, oh, we have it in medium. So I end up ordering the same piece, the two-piece, the skirt and the blazer in medium. And then I sent the large that I already have at home, I sent it back. So that's why everything is like in three different packages. Everything comes in three different packages because this is I think it's the top or the skirt, this is the blazer, and this is I don't know which one is which one, but I know I have three sets. So first, let's open this one because I also ordered some stuff, so it came in this big bag. I'm thinking this is because I really actually never really opened it. It's just a piece that I saw and I really liked it. I just wanted to have it. So I pick up this one. This is the top. It's so nice. I love the fact that it has this really warm neck. It's very, very soft. You're not allowed to put this in the washing machine. So this is going to be something like a hand wash. And this is in medium. This is what I wanted. 38 medium. So this is the top. I really like it, really cute. Okay, put that one here, and I guess this is the skirt. Not too sure. Yeah, this is the skirt. Sometimes I see things and I like it and I just purchase it. Not that I really need it immediately, but I just like it and I purchase it. So this is the name of the brand that I picked this up. It's a new brand. Actually, this brand is new on Zalando because I've never really come across this brand. I have been shopping on Zalando now for more than a decade. I've never really come across this brand, but it's a new one, and the skirt is just so nice. I love these flower details and this thing here. I really, really love this. When I saw the model wearing the outfit, I thought I couldn't just get the skirt and the top. I really need the full set. I'll put the price here, but I think this one was like 90 euros. This one was also something like 90 euros, 80 euros, some 99 something cent. I'll just say 90 euros. I know this offered, and this is the blazer. So I finally got the blazer in the right size because first I pick up the larger size. I think I did open that one because I just wanted to see if, for example, eventually they do not have the bigger size completely. They do not have the medium. I could just find a way to work with the larger size. So I think I test it. I'll put a little clip here, show you guys how the larger look on me, but it was a little bit too big, so I'm very happy that I was able to pick this one. So this blazer costs 230 euros for this one. I will put some of the pictures of the model on the screen. I like something like this. I also have something like this from Mango, but it's a little bit different, and this is what this one looks like. It's a complete piece. So you have the blazer, you have the top, and you have the skirt. So this is how I saw the model actually had it on, the full set. I really like the skirt. The skirt was what actually drew me to this set. And then I thought, okay, let me pick the skirt. And then I thought, you know what, let me just pick the skirt and the top. But then later on, I was like, nah, I can wear the skirt and the top separately, but I really want to have full set of all of it. So full set. It's roll. It's roll, and you're not allowed to put this in the washing machine. You can do a hand wash, or you can take it to the dry cleaner. They have their own way how they wash it. So this is the piece. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna put this one on and show you what it looks like on. It's actually for the summer and the fall, but I just want to show you guys what it looks like on me. So let's go and change into this beautiful piece. I really love the color. It's beautiful. I can definitely wear the blazer on its own. I can definitely wear the skirt on its own, style it in different ways. I already have different ways that I want to style it in my head. Like I said, whenever I purchase something, I already have thousands of ways how I want to style it before I purchase it. I'm an overthinker, so I do think of everything before I purchase it. So yeah, I really love it. So let's try it on, because I haven't tried this piece since I got it. It has just been lying down in the house, and I just wanted to show you guys before I put it in the closet. Outfit. This shoe is not what I'm planning to wear with this outfit. I have this boot, this white boot that I picked up from Zalando, and that is what I want to wear with this shoe. I have white, I have black. That is what I'm planning to wear this outfit with a boot. Okay, and this is the piece. I really love it. Let me first take this coat off and show you the skirt. This is so beautiful. I love these flower details on the skirt, and I really loved it. You can actually bring the skirt a little bit down if you want to show your belly, but that's not what I'm going for. But I just like it. It's so beautiful. It's really nice. This feels so warm, and this is wool. This is wool. The material is so soft. Material feels so luxury. It's really nice. I really loved it, and I just love this detail here, this flower bomb. I just love it. The coat for me is everything. I just love this coat. I have something like this, like I said, from the mango. I have in black, and I have in brown, more like a little bit lighter brown, but this is amazing. Oh my god, I love it. And it has a pocket that you can just like relax. You can leave it opened, or you can close it like this. If I'm gonna wear this, I'm not gonna close it. It depends. If I'm wearing another outfit with this blazer, then I might close it. But if I'm wearing this on its own, baby, I'm gonna leave it open. I love it. So this is it. I can still wear this in the winter. I can still pull this off in the winter. High knee boots. I have this high knee boot that comes all the way here, that I got from Zalando, that comes all the way here, and just some legging underneath. We can wear this in the winter. We can go somewhere with this. And this one feels so warm. This one feels so warm. The neck area feels so warm, and I really loved it. So let me know what you guys think. You guys, I feel like it's worth the price. Okay, it's worth the price. Yeah, I like it. I love it. I love it. Let me know what you guys think in the comments, and I will definitely come back and show you guys when I style it. I'm going to be wearing each piece individually. Definitely, I can wear this with the bodysuit. And I have this bodysuit I pick up from Zalando. It's a black bodysuit. I can wear it and put this skirt on top. Definitely, you guys gonna see more pictures. Follow me on Instagram. And yeah, Team Fullest, thank you guys so much for your love and support. I truly appreciate it, and I'll see you all on my next video. Peace out. Bye.